Oh my god, it feels so good.
Newport R.I in BLUU, dude. 2015. Wet snow right now.
Oh my god.
Here we got Tanisha. Tanisha, say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
How high can I spill? How far can I spill that she's in?
Let's go.
That's fine. I was hoping to go over the gate, but that it went far somewhat.
Feels so good.
Okay,
No,
let's
don't.
shut that one up before we get the whole way.
Freezing.
You got sweat in my whole Wayne couch.
I hate snow so
Oh,
bad.
and you got snow. That's why you're not going to be on the coast.
Watch out!
So good. I love it.
Here, try this, Jeff.
I got it.
Watch your
Definitely.
fingers.
That's a perfect snowball. That's perfect
Yeah.
snowball weather.
These are the heavier snowfall bands in between the intensity lets up somewhat. Now, there's a lot more moisture to the south, and the storm, you can see this comma head shape right here. That's an indication of a very mature storm. It's still in the process of strengthening. The pressure falls are considerable south of Nantucket, so this storm will continue to race up into a position south of Nantucket and stall out, not progressing a little farther to the north until we get to evening, because there's a blocking area of high pressure sitting over eastern Canada, slowing the storm down. So that's why the wind will continue.
A lot of snow out here right now. You want some snow? Not good at shovel.
Absolutely ridiculous.
As you guys can see, that ice is loaded with, that light is loaded with ice.
Yeah, it is the top of it.
Here we come inside after the camera. So yeah, we're probably gonna have like 3 days of that, as you can see.